Here's how to log out of WhatsApp on your Android device. First of all, we'll try going to WhatsApp settings, then account, and check whether you have an option to log out or remove your account. In some smartphones, you may have it. If that's the case, then you're lucky. But if you don't have the option, then here's the only way to log out. First of all, what you gotta do is go to your chats and make sure you have created a chat backup. It can either be local or cloud backup. Now to log out, you'll either need to erase all data of WhatsApp or uninstall your WhatsApp. But as you know, this will delete your local data. If you have cloud storage, then that's not a headache. But if you're relying on a local backup, which you want to restore later, then you can watch this portion of our video, how to manually back up your local WhatsApp data. After you have done that, go ahead and go to its app info, storage, and clear its data. Or uninstall WhatsApp, then reinstall it. There you go. Now you can log into WhatsApp using a new account. That's all. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.